Peninsula Place versus Destiny Burrell.
Rebecca Austin complains, Your Honor.
Okay, there she. Hello. What's your name?
Destiny Burrell.
If you keep your hands in your pockets, he's going to get upset and it's just going to get ugly. Okay. It's the only way I could put it. All right. Where are we on her?
The judge sets the tone with a mix of authority and humor, warning the defendant about something as simple as hand placement. It sounds minor, but it instantly hints at how quickly things can escalate in court. There's laughter, but underneath it is a clear message: respect the courtroom or things can turn serious fast. This short moment works perfectly as an intro because it captures personality, tension, and unpredictability all at once. You immediately feel like anything could happen next.
Okay.
Your Honor, this is motion set aside at default judgment, but I did meet with Ms. Burrell and we do have a consent judgment and I'll place on the record that
Okay.
time to get caught up.
All right.
The pass-through rent is $2,711.95, court cost of $177.72 for a total of $2,889.67. Ms. Burrell is going to pay $500 by April 20, another $800 by May 4, $875.67 by May 18, pay rent and late fee by May 29. She didn't pay $714 into escrow.
Yes.
But they have to release the plaintiff. That will make her whole by the end of May, and I have a proposed consent judgment with her signature on.
Lady, is that all correct? All right. Do you have any questions regarding anything on this judgment?
Not right now.
Pardon?
No, I don't.
Okay. And were you explain your 3-day rights of rescission?
Yes.
All right. Okay, having no questions, I will enter this judgment by consent.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Well, first thing I will do is I'm going to grant her motion to set aside and then enter the judgment.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
The courtroom shifts into a structured rhythm as the first case unfolds. Numbers are laid out, deadlines are set, and both sides come to an agreement. It may seem routine, but this moment is important. It shows how quickly lives are shaped by financial obligations and legal terms. The judge remains calm and efficient, ensuring clarity before finalizing the consent judgment. There's no drama here, just the quiet weight of responsibility. This segment grounds the video, giving viewers a baseline before the more emotional cases begin to unfold.
Court calls the case Peninsula Place versus Kevon Henderson.
Rebecca Austin for plaintiff, Your Honor.
Oh, he's it.
Sorry about that.
It's all right. State your name.
Kevon Henderson.
All right. And where are we on this case?
And it's in the facility
Oh,
for some, to release some fund. Balance. I don't know the state.
Oh, that's right. You're in the military.
yes.
Which branch again?
Army.
Oh, yeah, that's right. We had that whole thing about that. You be an Army.
Yeah.
I don't know if he's going to come through.
Oh,
Okay. All right. No, I'm going to get off. I'll get off your back. All right. Okay. So where are we, young man?
two things. I have found civilian employment. Second thing is with the family readiness, the thing that's going to pay my rent off for me. I still don't have any information when they're going to pay out. All I know is it's going to be within the April timeframe. But I can
So you
ask them.
You don't know what date they're going to pay. You believe it's going to be some point in April.
It's definitely going to be in April. I just don't know which day, but I can give Peninsula Place. I can ask them to give Peninsula Place information on when it's going to be.
Okay. So you can ask them to do that. All right. What do you want to do?
Can we do a judgment with the writ date of April 30th and give them to the entire month to get it paid? Or do you want to adjourn it again? Whatever the court wants.
Usually people don't tell me that. Young man, how long have you been in the Army?
It's been 4 years now.
Okay, so I'm just going to tell you how I am. if he's out there and he's willing to put his life on the line for that, I'm willing to take the chance that you might appeal me, and I'm just going to adjourn it.
Oh, I'm.
All right. Okay.
I do have to tell the court this. April 22nd, I'm gonna be. I don't know if you know, I'm gonna be at a training course. With the
Gotcha.
Army.
All right. The
But
22nd.
I can
How
still-
long is that? How long will we be out?
The course is only gonna be till May 15th.
Till when?
May 15th.
Okay. So you're not going to be available from the 20th to May 15th.
22nd. I've never done this course before, so I don't know how available I'm actually gonna be. But when I get there, I'm gonna work with the court as best I can to keep you guys informed. So I believe I can still take hearings.
All right, young man, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn this out to the 24th. I'm going to adjourn it out 2 weeks.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get this paid. If it gets paid, if everything gets paid, it's going to be dismissed. Okay.
Okay.
If it doesn't get paid, then if you are able to be here, that's fine. I'll just be honest with you. I'm not letting anything happen. So, all right. We'll figure it out somehow. All right.
Yes.
All right.
I
So the
appreciate it.
24th, what time? At 12 noon.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
All right,
Thank
young
you.
man.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Stay safe.
You too.
And
Thank you.
Go Army. My dad would kill me saying that, but
Go Army.
no. Go Navy. You know what? I don't want him on my screen.
A young man in the military steps forward, and suddenly the tone shifts. What begins as a standard discussion about rent turns into something deeper when his service is acknowledged. The judge pauses, reflects, and chooses compassion over strict enforcement. That decision, rooted in respect for sacrifice, changes everything. You can feel the tension ease as the judge gives him time instead of pressure. It's a powerful reminder that behind every case is a human story, and sometimes, empathy speaks louder than the law itself.
Take care.
You too, sir.
Peninsula Place versus Laura Goodwin.
Good afternoon, Your Honor, back off.
Oh, Miss
I
Goodwin.
apologize. Wait one moment.
It's okay. You're all right. I just need a camera. Oh, now you muted yourself. He doesn't know that.
I apologize. I was currently at work.
Oh, it's okay. It's all right. All right. Well, while you try to, oh, there you are. Okay.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Okay. So where are we on this?
Your Honor, she did make a payment since we were together last week. Her current balance is 508.20 inclusive of court costs.
508.20. All right. Young lady, when are you going to get this cleared up?
Okay, so I do have a couple questions. So first, I've been working more to try and get it paid down, and because it is only solely me paying for it, like neither of my parents are able to help me. So I'm trying to currently figure that all out. However, I do have a question because it's just I'm a little confused. So on my end, I see that I owe like four something, and then I'm noticing I owe 500, but I'm confused. Am I supposed to pay the courthouse for the remaining fees, or am I
No,
supposed
no. You got to pay it all to the landlord.
Okay. So I'm supposed to pay over the amount that I can personally see? Because the balance that I see is that I owe, it says 408, I'm pretty sure.
Address.
Pardon?
The balance sheet price sees is 403.20. And added to that is the $75 statutory attorney fee, plus the $30 late fee that got added today. That's where the 508 comes from.
Did you hear that?
Oh, okay. So I do have a question because I'm literally like kind of working check to everything. I can definitely have everything paid by the end of April. That's not a problem. However, I just don't know if I'll be able to have that extra 100 by next Friday because of how everything is going.
Okay. So, all right. I hear you. Are you from Florida?
No, I actually just visited Florida like when I was in 7th grade. I just have a random Florida hoodie.
Gator thing?
But I'm not from Ypsilanti though.
What?
I'm not from Ypsilanti though, or Washtenaw
You're
County.
not from Ypsilanti?
I am not.
I like people from Ypsilanti.
I'm sorry. I just happen to not be from there.
She could have just told me she's from Ipsy. I would have said, okay.
I live here. I've been here living here for like 2 years now, if that counts.
Ooh, a whole
A young student steps up, clearly overwhelmed, balancing school, work, and financial stress. Her words come fast, almost breathless, showing just how much pressure she's under. The judge listens, pushes back, but eventually softens as her reality becomes undeniable. There's a subtle shift from authority to understanding, especially when he compares her to his own daughter. This moment stands out because it feels so real, no legal jargon, just life happening in front of the court. It's messy, human, and deeply relatable.
2 years.
You know, I
No.
I tried.
I'm just messing with you. All right. So what can you get paid by next week?
For the most part, I can at least have, if not half the balance paid down, at least a little more than half. Oh, I apologize. Because, like I said, I'm trying to stretch myself out and I'm still currently in school. That's really what's making everything uncomfortable for me. Because I can't work how I want to work because I'm in full school full time.
You sound like my daughter.
I'm so, that's really the issue.
Says same thing. I've heard it
if
before.
if I
All
wasn't
right.
in school full time, I probably would be able to work more to just obtain like and just pay it off immediately. But I quite literally cannot.
What are you going to be when you grow up?
I'm going to school currently for my undergrad for psychology with a minor of sociology and social work. And then I plan on going back for my master's as I graduate next year for social work.
She got all that in. She didn't take a breath.
I did not. I say it so much, so much.
No,
And
it's okay. All right. Okay, young lady. By next week, how much can you have paid?
I'm gonna say for sure like 250, if not 300. I know myself enough to know that.
All right. Stop. You're gonna have
Yes.
250.
Yes.
All right. Pay that by the 16th. Can you do that?
Hold up. Let me look at my calendar. I do not want to lie. You know
Okay,
what?
people like
Sure. I'll
No.
just suck it up. Yeah, sure. I'll just suck it up.
Can you have it by the 16th?
Because I was giving some of my utilities, I can probably have 150 by the 16th, but I knew I could have more than that by next week. But if not, I could just suck it up and just kind of give it all. I'm not really in like
You're killing me.
I'm
All
sorry.
right. So, all right, just let's do it this way. By the 24th, what can you have?
I'll say at least 300.
Okay, then I'm gonna do this because your balance is so low that even if we should judge it next time we're here, she'll. Okay, so you're gonna have 300, and I want that by the 23rd.
Okay. I'm
Just
so
like my
sorry.
daughter.
Like
She
I don't know how to answer.
Just like my daughter, you wore me down. You just did. It's okay. I'm gonna turn it out to April 24, 2026 at 12 noon. Okay, are you going into exams?
Yes, actually.
Yeah, see, that's part of the problem.
Yeah,
You,
like I'm
you
actually extremely busy. Like I have exams coming up. Like for the last 2 weeks, I'm currently doing stuff with exams right now. And then, like I said, I'm trying to work more, so it's kind of uncomfortable.
okay. Here, do this. Get the 300 paid. We'll see you in a couple weeks. Do well on your exams. You hear me, young lady?
Yes, thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Have
And
a
next
nice day.
time, don't wear something from Maryland and not Florida. Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. All right. And where are we on this case?
Your Honor, I should have realized that because my notes say he, not she. My apologies, Mr. Moore. The total I've got is $3,461.61.
All right, man, how are we gonna get this paid?
I can start making $900 payments once a week, starting on the 20th.
You could start making 900 a week starting on the 20th.
Correct.
Oh, okay. How much is your monthly rent?
It is
About
like 14
or
or 1400.
all right, so go
Seven-
ahead.
Sorry, Your Honor, just to be specific, he's $1,470 for rent. He's got trash, water, sewer fees that are gonna put him 31, about $40. So we're looking at about around $1,510 total per month.
1510.
Hmm.
But if you're paying every Monday 18, you can get yourself caught up and out of this mess
Yeah.
relatively quick at 900 a month. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna adjourn it out a week, give you a chance to call the attorney's office.
Okay.
Okay, see if you can work out a conditional dismissal.
Okay.
Okay, so that'd be the 17th at noon.
Okay.
Do you contact Hawk to see if they can get you over?
No,
All right.
is that are those it's on that form, correct? Is that
Yes, it is.
Okay.
We'll write it down for you, 961-1999,
okay?
and just call over. You might be in a situation where you make too much money or whatever, but at least, yeah.
Okay.
But worst that can happen is they tell you no, right?
Right. What would be a good time to call? When I've called, it's just like leave a message.
Miss Dornbush?
Yes.
I don't know. She's always there in my.
Well, I was in a very lengthy trial with Judge Washington this morning.
Got it.
But generally speaking, yes, Your Honor. And if for some reason he's not able to reach me, if he just leaves a message, they'll get it to me and I can give him a call back.
Okay. All right. Very good. And we'll see you next week at noon.
Okay.
The number over here. All right, young man. Have a good weekend.
All right. Thank you.
Here. I think Miss Dornbush, sorry about the delay in the docket, but I think that's it.
It is indeed, Your Honor, and I just always factor in an extra hour if I have the late docket, so. I just
Yes. Yeah. By the time it starts getting jammed up. Yep.
totally done
All righty.
that, and I just expect it, and if it is in fact faster than that, then it's a silver lining, although, I very much enjoy spending time in your courtroom, Your Honor, so
Well, thank you.
either
Thank
way,
you for that.
absolutely.
All
You have
right.
a wonderful weekend.
My fault.
That was your fault. Figures. All
Yeah.
right. Counsel, can you state your appearance?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Attorney Samantha Sprague, Pete 1931, appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Your name?
Sabrina Jackson.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All right, where are we on her case?
Yes, Your Honor, there is an attorney that has filed a limited scope of engagement in this matter. We have been in discussions. There is a belief that Hawk has stated to the legal aid individual that there is a payment that's been made to the property. My client has not received that, and so we're respectfully requesting a 2-week adjournment in order for us to review that alleged payment and see if we can locate
Hold
it.
on. Just so that I'm clear, you believe there was a payment made?
So I filed with an exhibit before court today of the correspondence between the Hawk representative and myself. She said there was an EFT payment made on, I have an extra one here, if you had it got it in time. But it was saying how there was EFT payment made on the 1st for $3,000. However, there's a check block on my account. So I guess I don't know if the payment wasn't able to be made through directly. So right now we're just trying to find out what happened to it.
Okay, so this is why, say it again, why we need Amy. Because I have a spreadsheet that they provided to me. The spreadsheet for your case, I'll make sure I'm looking, has nothing.
What should have been a straightforward case turns into confusion and frustration over a missing payment. The system itself becomes the problem, and you can hear it in the judge's voice. This isn't just about one case anymore. As the tenant speaks about fear and her children, the emotional weight hits hard. The judge's tone sharpens, calling out the flaws and defending the people affected. By the end, his promise to protect her brings a sense of relief. It's a powerful closing that exposes both the cracks in the system and the humanity within it.
It doesn't even say that there was a check sent and that it. Mr. Fantera, make a note of that for that next. This is precisely what I was talking about. This is just it doesn't make any sense because so you know, well, counsel, you think that your
I did receive a copy of the email, Your Honor, and I do believe that there's a discrepancy somewhere. My client has checked their records. They do not show receipt of it whatsoever. Additionally, no promissory letter was provided to my client, which is why they had initiated the writ. We're willing to go to 2 weeks.
Yeah, I'll adjourn it out 2 weeks, but just so that everybody's clear, what you're telling me would fit with what's on this sheet and not what Miss Jackson is telling me. Because she's telling me the 3,000 went. And this sheet is telling me there's nothing, which is exactly what you got. So, okay, never mind. I could be on my soapbox all day, and I'm just not going to do that. Because this is a wrong way to treat people. And these people need to understand that this is a court. And I get they're trying to help folks, but they really need to help folks. And sometimes we need a real live person to help me with that. Otherwise, I'll just start evicting people and then they got to play catch up. Okay, I'm not.
Not me. He's
Okay, not you.
I'm kidding. No, it's just been really frustrating. Like even for this court case, I never got anything in the mail. I never got any notifications. I've called, I reached out. It hasn't been any correspondence. I've tried to do my due diligence of what I had to do on my end, but it's scary. I have 2 small children now. Seeing notes like that.
That's exactly what I'm saying. Why I was kind of.
Thank you so much.
That's why just so that you know where part of my, I'll call it frustration comes from is there's a monthly meet first Wednesday and we find out the courts, the judges find out by email that instead of having a real person here that can tell us something and investigate it, that we get this printout of what's going on in everybody's case. And my feeling on that is that's just wrong because if you didn't show up to tell me or couldn't somehow articulate it, there'd be an eviction. They don't get that.
It wasn't easy.
Huh?
It wasn't easy. It was not an easy process, but yeah.
No, I got you. And it just, you can send me a piece of paper, but I'm dealing with human beings and they need to realize that. So I'll just say this. 24th is my next 2 weeks out.
That's correct.
April 24th, 2026, 3 p.m. Ms. Jackson, I'll just tell you this. Between now and then, certainly nothing's going to happen to you.
Thank you.
We're going to figure it all out. I'm not going to let anything happen to you.
I appreciate it.
And that's before my next meeting, which will be the 6th. So mark that date, Mr. Fantera, because they're going to hear from me. This should not happen, ever. Thank you, counsel. Jackson, you have.
I appreciate it. Well, I think
You're on Vista.